फातोडा अंबाजी येथे 4 अज्ञातांकडून स्फोटकांचा वापर करून वाहनाचं नुकसान करण्यात आलं. तक्रारदार उच्च माध्यमिक शाळेचे प्राचार्य आहेत. तसंच पोलीस या प्रकरणी योग्यरित्या कारवाई करत नसल्याचा आरोप त्यांनी केलाय.
And a criminal advocate for their neighbor, so I had to step in. They were not even giving them a copy of the FIR. So only yesterday when we went to the police station, I found out that we can get the copy of the FIR. We got a copy of the FIR, which they were first not allowing us to even view. And what I doubted has exactly happened. They have only applied one section, which is section 437. Sorry, 435, section 435 of IPC, which is a section talking about mischief to the tune of 100 rupees. If you damage something to the tune of 100 rupees, that's mischief. So in other words, if somebody goes into your property, breaks some flower pots, or leaves your cattle loose, that's mischief, 435. Whereas actually, if you see the nature of the crime over here, 4 individuals are involved. That is captured in CCTV. They came by 2 bikes, which means they have planned it together. They have phoned each other somewhere else. They have come together. They have left together. So there is a design. There is preparation and design. So it has to come under criminal conspiracy. That is section 120B, totally missing. If it was one person acting, we might say it is a certain crime. But if it is more than one person's acting, there has to mandatorily be either 120B or section 34. But here it should be 120B. This a lawyer does not have to tell the cops. Then secondly, they have added 435, but actually this damage is within a compound which is habited by human beings. It's a dwelling place, and anybody, if you set an explosive inside a dwelling place, then reasonably you will know that that is going to cause damage to the dwelling place. So there is a section also which says that if an individual knows that destruction will be caused to the dwelling place of a human being, then that attracts a different section, and that is section 436. 436. Now section 436 is a very heavy section because it says that any destruction to a dwelling place by explosive shall be punishable by a maximum of 10 years imprisonment, and it has to be tried by a magistrate. By the sessions court. Okay, by the sessions court. So it is akin to almost like, something as grave as even rape. Okay, so that is that big a section. Then secondly, section 456. Section 456 deals with trespass. Here, there is a fence. Person has gone over the fence. Fence is in a private property. So there has been trespass. That is completely missed out. Secondly, there is lurking because they have taken rounds of the house. They have seen what is happening. They have taken a scout of the area. That's lurking. Thirdly, it is by night because it is 2:55 a.m. So it is a nighttime activity. So it is criminal house trespass by lurking and by night. That's a separate section altogether. 456 totally missed out by the cops. Totally missed out. We don't have to tell them all this. It is very simple. It is just technical. But they are refusing to bring this because those are non-bailable sections. Means the person gets arrested. The person then, 4 people over here would have to get arrested. They would have to get bail by the court. But all this is not being done, and we have some credible source to tell us that there is pressure on the police. So it is high time that whoever is pressurizing the police must step down and must let justice be done, because we are in a rule of law and we are a village. Everybody is terrorized over here. If this same incident were to happen in a public place, would it not come under terrorism? So it is in a private place. So what happens now? 4 people. This is a gang. So we have to get this sorted out. This investigation has to take place. If Fatorda police station can't handle it, which I definitely think they cannot handle it, then crime branch has to handle it.
2:50 a.m. in the morning, 4 guys come here on bikes, 2 motorbikes. They walk, they come on the bikes and go forward, turn back and park their bikes there. From there, 2 boys walk, climb this compound wall and put some explosive material. And the moment they put the explosive and jump out, there's a big blast. There's a big blast, and with the impact of the blast, this whole area was lit. And when this whole area was lit, I noticed when the two of them were running, that one of the fellows is a suspected peon of my office. So I revealed this to the police.
साडी शॉपिंग करपाक आता बेळगांव वचपाची गरज ना. पणजीतल्या बॉम्बे बाजारात तुमका दर्जेदार प्रकारच्या साड्यो खरेदी करपाक मेळटा. नवीन व्हंकलेक नववारी असो किंवा उत्तर भारतीय लेहंगा, सिल्क साडी किंवा कॉटन साडी, तुमची पसंत आणि आमचे कलेक्शन. साडी स्वतः खातीर खरेदी करा किंवा गिफ्ट करा. बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जेल रोड, पणजी.